Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe your idea of a perfect home or dream house where you want to live. You should say where this place would be, what it would be like, when you would like to live there, and explain why it is ideal to you. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. Now this is a type of question where you can keep elaborating, right? And I often see students who are just trying to give ideas but they are not trying to answer the questions that are already mentioned in the cue card. So don't make this mistake. First make sure that you are answering all the questions that are asked in the cue card, and after that if you still have time you can elaborate a little bit further. But the main thing is you need to answer all of these 4 questions in order to complete your task achievement. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created. Dreams are a reflection of one's recent state of mind as well as reveal critical aspects about future possibilities, and today I would like to speak about my dream residence which I have always longed for. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly conveying to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, it would be located in the countryside area amidst the tranquil backdrop of Mother Nature, away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and it would be a 2-story house with bedrooms, kitchen, and living room on the upper floor, while the lower floor would feature a gym and a recreation center. So, as you all can see, we used a range of vocabulary words here like tranquil, which means peaceful. We used hustle and bustle of the city, which means away from the noisy atmosphere of the city, away from the busy life of the city. So you can add these words and phrases to your list as well. And next time when you are practicing speaking, try to use this in your conversation. Actually, it's a good idea to just pause the video and just write down the words as I'm telling the meaning so that you do not forget it later on. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, it would be fully equipped with the latest technological facilities, including smart security gates as well as smart locks to ensure complete safety in the remote area. So, as you all can see, we have given a very good elaboration for the question which said what it would be like. We still have 2 more questions remaining, which is when you would like to live there and explain why it is ideal to you. So, let's continue. I would like to stay there post retirement, which would provide me ample amount of time to rejuvenate my mind as well as de-stress myself after years of hard work and dedication. So as you all can see, we used a range of connectors here like furthermore, additionally, moreover, and all of these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part. So the last question, which is explain why it is ideal to you, still remains. So let's answer that. Moving further, it would be the perfect house for me as it would help me to reside in clean and green surroundings, maintaining harmony with the environment while at the same time remaining updated with recent developments and not missing out on the convenience factor. So as you all can see, we did not take any kind of pauses like or we were not repeating words in between, right? So all these ensure a smooth flow of our conversation and it will increase our band scores for a fluency part. Also our pronunciation was very clear at all times. That means the examiner did not have any difficulty in understanding what we are trying to speak, right? we pronounced all our words, we spoke all our words in a very clear manner. So all of these will also enhance our scores for our pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. In the next video, I will be preparing a sample answer for another Q card topic. Meanwhile, if you do have any other topic in mind, make sure to comment down below and I will be more than happy to prepare a sample answer for that as well. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.